Hi everybody, this is Joe with Joe's Premium Firewood, bringing out a fun-filled, exciting video. Today's video, I'm at my buddy Jerry's property. His house is way back there. This is, I don't know, probably about a quarter mile back on the back end. And as you can see, this cherry tree right here on the neighbor's property broke off there in the woods and took out another cherry branch. And it's out here in his field, and I told him I would cut it up for him. He said just to go ahead and leave the wood. I'll probably throw the brush over in there. He's got a brush pile there, but he's helped me out a lot, so I'm just doing this just to help him out. But like I say, he's helped me out with a lot of things. In fact, he gave me that MS 250 that Mike has now, so I think I still owe him even after cleaning this mess up. But you can see right now, I decided to stop there since I'm not taking the wood with me. I'm out on a delivery, and I got another load from Gary's. Now, yes, people are going to cry that has this crap on there, but you know what? It still burns. And this load is almost 100% oak. And yes, there is limbwood in here, but I'm telling you that this limbwood burns hotter than the split trunk wood because it's more dense. So, you know, and this fungus on here, that still burns. You know, I mean, people are going to cry about it, you know, but, oh well, that's your problem, not mine. You know, the only person's opinion that I care about is the customers, and I know he's going to really like it. Well, let me set this up here so you can see me. I've been letting the saw's been warming up for about 2 minutes, so that should be good to go. It's got the chain on there that I sharpened in the video from 2 days ago. If you didn't see that video on how I sharpen with a grinder, I'll put that at the end videos, and so you can check that out. We'll see how it cuts. Like I say, this is cherry, so it should cut pretty easy. Just picked up a new shirt from Bill. Looks pretty nice, doesn't it? Like I say, you can order your own merchandise. And if you are new to the channel, I would encourage you to hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. My other channel was stolen by scammers about 50 days ago, and so I made this channel, and it's up to, I think, 710 subscribers, you know. And I know a lot of you guys are tired of hearing me talk about it, but let's get me to 1,000 subscribers on this channel. I promise never to mention it again. Does that sound like a fair deal? All right, I think I played enough games. It's time to get her done. Oh, and Mike told me he's not coming in today, but he's really not a JPF employee. He's more, you know, he's like one of my 6 log suppliers. You know, he just decides what days he's going to work. It's up to him, you know. I don't have all my eggs in the Mike basket. That's why I buy from other vendors, and whoever can bring me the wood and do it at my price, then that's who I'm going to buy from. So he said he needed a couple days off, and then he's going to work this weekend. And they said 90% chance of rain on Sunday, so we'll see what happens. But just wanted to let you know what's going on with that. So, got the helmet on, hearing protection. Let me pose for the thumbnail picture. Okay, that should work. Time to get her done. whenever doing a job like this, it's always nice to have a second person to drag brush to get it out of your way. You don't know what's cut and what's not. So I'm going to throw some of these pieces aside, get out of my way. It's already got a brush pile right there. The other day I was picking up some water, bottled water, and a lady seen the signs on the truck. She said, "Oh, I got a maple tree that needs to come down. I got quoted $1,500 for it." She said $1,000 to get the tree on the ground and $500 for the cleanup. She was trying to get me to do it for the wood. And the only way I can get rid of brush is hauling that truck. For me, it'd be $1,500 to haul the brush away and $500 to take the tree down. Because I'm really not set up for it. Guys happy it's not a log splitting video? Or delivery or making bundles? Got some of it cleaned up, but I need to get more cut. So you got to do these tree jobs. Start and go, stop and go, stop and go. Still didn't get this one. Oh, got it. Hope the camera's not too far away. You can see what's going on. You hear me. Like I say, I can't do it all. I don't have a cameraman and I don't have a brush dragger. Oh, he does raise chickens, and his wife's got a couple dozen eggs for me. I eat eggs almost every day. Probably just going to leave the log in the woods for him. Got the majority of the big branches out of the way. If you want some more of these twigs picked up, he can go ahead and do that. I'm just getting the big stuff. I think he'll be happy with this. If you can get that little stuff. Not tripped on that. Adjust the camera a little bit. We'll get these bigger pieces up here so you can see that. You guys enjoying the show? Good show there, Leonard Virtue. How's it going down under, Adam Torkerman? The Toker man, Adam? Still see me? That'll about do her. Well, maybe I'll cut a little more of that. See, that's sticking out a little bit. I think he just has a few campfires around here. So that's why I'm not going too accurate on the length. You know what that is, folks? That's a wrap. We got her done. We do not play games on Wednesday. I'll give you a little look at what we got done. All the brush is dragged. I went into there where it's like a double barrel. Don't really need to go any farther than that. And I'd say there's, you know, half or a quarter of a truckload of wood here that he can, you know, a lot of this limb wood he can just burn himself, or some of these pieces might need to be split. So I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you at the next one. Hi, Jake Morris. And anybody else watching?